So you want to install large language models like LLAMA 3.2 or maybe QWEN 2.5 or maybe Mistral or any other large language models out there with any variants locally on your computer, so you can run all of these models absolutely for free without paying even a single penny. So I'm actually going to give you a detailed step-by-step beginner friendly guide in this tutorial. I'm actually going to show you two ways of installation of large language models locally on your computer. The first way that I'm actually going to show you is actually using LLAMA. What is LLAMA? LLAMA, consider this just a tool that is used for management of large language models. So if you're not aware of LLAMA, you don't have to, because it just act as a basic just like CMD on your computer. Just don't worry about that. Just come to this website called LLAMA.com. As soon as you are on this website, and let me just quickly make sure that I'm on the right screen. All right, so as soon as you are on this website, just make sure that you are on this home page, which is this LLAMA.com. As soon as you're here, just click on this download button. Once you click on this download button, if you're on a Mac or if you're on a Windows, it will actually download an executable file for you. So if you're on Windows, it will automatically detect that you're on Windows and it will give you this button to download this. If you're on Linux, you can just run this command, or if you're on Mac, you can just download the Mac OS file for you. So as soon as you are on Windows, just click on this button and it will actually start installation of an executable file. So since I have already downloaded that, but just to give you an idea, I'm just showing you that. So I have already downloaded this file in here, and you can see this is right here in my downloads folder. This is how it will show in your downloads folder. What you can do, you can simply just right click, run as an administrator, and simply you can then just after that it will ask you something like this. Just click on yes, and then it will be just simple install, next, simple install that you can just have, and it will actually install locally without any asking for anything. It will be a basic simple installation directly into your computer. Once you install that, once it is, and there's no like nothing complex point in there. Once you install that, what you can do, you can just come to your search bar and just look for LLAMA. So you can see this thing will actually pop up here. Just click on this thing, just click on this app, and you can see like nothing is open even if I click on that. So what you can do, you can simply just come here on the bottom right part. So just come here and then just see there is a small icon for LLAMA. So you can just like see that, okay, this is running. So if it shows here, that means it is running here locally on your computer. Once you're there, once you're done with that, now the next step, this was actually just installation of, you can say, large language model management tool. That was just like a basic tool that we are going to use to manage large language model. The next step is actually now to install large language models locally on your computer. Since as I said that this is going to be an absolutely beginner friendly tutorial, and I'm actually going to give you a basic guideline what are large language models and how you can actually locally install on your computer and use consider using ChatGPT without paying anything locally on your computer. So this is actually about that. So if you think that this tutorial or any other tutorials that I make about AI development, so if you think that those are helpful for you, so please do not forget to subscribe, because that's very, very important. I make all of these videos and it takes a lot of time for me to like make these videos. So please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to subscribe. And of course, please just give a like. All right, so once you are okay, so let's suppose if you are on LLAMA website, if you have still not figured out what is LLAMA, so that's not a problem. Just come to LLAMA website here, and now once you have downloaded and installed LLAMA locally on your computer, the next step is now to install the LLM or large language model on your computer locally. So what you can do is come to this top right section, click on models tab, and here you can see almost every possible AI large language model you can find here. The most favorite one, my like the hot favorite right now, is actually QWEN 2.5. So QWEN 2.5 coder I use for writing code. This is just superb, amazing, way better than Claude or any other like out there. But this is just an amazing one. So you can just maybe like, let's suppose we can just install one of these. So every single large language model have various different variants. So when we call variants, so you can see the size of these large language models. So to not like complicate things for you, so you can see this is the smallest one, which is 0.5 B. B stands for billion, and you can see this, the size of this model is only 531 MBs. And then there's 1.5 B, and the more bigger the number is, the bigger the size is, and that means the more capability this large language model has to solve complex problems. So it's just like the more is this like the bigger brain for your large language model. So this was QWEN, and we can, let's just look for maybe LLAMA 3.2 if you want to use LLAMA 3.2, which was recently released. So you can download and install LLAMA 3.2. So you can see one is 1B, and then another one is actually 3B. So 1B, LLAMA 3.2, 1B is 1.3 GBs, and 3B is actually 2 GBs. Before you continue with installation of any of these large language models, you have to make sure, is your computer capable of downloading and installation of these large language models on your computer, if your computer is capable or not. So you have to make sure that you have enough VRAM on your computer. Each of these large language models have a certain dedicated VRAM requirements to run these large language models on your computer, because these actually consume your compute power, your GPU power. So that's why you have to make sure that you have a good graphic card. Right now I'm actually running LLAMA already, so right now it's consuming my GPU. So I have total GPU memory of 26 GBs, which is good enough to run like small models, maybe mid-sized models. And then I have like graphic card, dedicated graphic card of 6 GBs, which is RTX 2060. This does matter a lot if you want to run a decent, sophisticated, good enough model on your computer locally. It does matter what graphic card do you have. So if you want to, especially if you want to like run something like QWEN 2.5 coder, so it does definitely matter for you to like what graphic card and what are your requirements. So let's suppose if you just want to like run a simple model, which is LLAMA 3.2. Okay, so this one is the LLAMA 3.2 vision. So you can see this one is 11 billion, and this is actually 7.9 GBs. This is 50 GBs. So you have to make sure that your C drive has enough space on there to install any of these models. Let me just, to give you an idea, let me just go with the simplest version, with the lightest, simplest version. So let's just go with 1B, LLAMA 3.2 1B. So as soon as I'm there, and then I'll just click on that. So what you can do, you just choose your version, and just remember, the smaller the model is, the less complex it is, and the more simpler it is. And you can say that it cannot solve more complex problems. It can be good enough to like write a blog post for you, but if you want him to like write a very sophisticated code for you, this model might not perform really well on that. So what you can do, simply just copy this command, which is written here, simply just copy here, and now you have to come to your search and look for PowerShell, POWERSHELL. This is a basic local CMD interface on your computer. This is already installed on your computer. You don't need to install that. So what you have to do is just paste that command that you copied right from here. So just click on, then enter. I have already installed LLAMA 3.2, I think 7B, but I'll just install this one just to give you an idea. So this is how it will install. It will just like keep installing this. It will need 1.3 GBs. So my internet is good enough right now. I think it's 53 MBs per second, 54 MBs per second. So it will just take a couple of seconds to install it. As soon as it is installed, then we can actually interact with it and run it, and then actually ask it some sort of like question, and it will respond. So I think it's installed Perfect. 1.3 GBs is installed, and now it's actually going to directly after downloading it, it is now actually going to install it. So yeah, it says no success. So now the LLAMA 3.2 1B, the lightest model is installed on our computer. And by the way, I think you can run this on any laptop. Even you have like an old laptop, you can run it on your old laptop. So what is capital of UK? So we just ask it question. So the capital of United Kingdom is London, so that means it is installed. What is just ask what is 2.2. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Perfect. All right, so it's installed and it's working. So this is actually the good enough model for you to like run locally on your computer without having any problems. This interface now looks like very nerd type. So you can use something like Open Web UI, which is you can download from here. So you can install Open Web UI right from here. You can just simply download from GitHub, and then you can run it locally. I'll install a separate tutorial for that, but right now let me just to avoid any sort of like complications, let me just give you a second way of installing large language model and access it with a proper interface, just like ChatGPT. So before we proceed to that, please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please give a thumbs up, a like. Please just press that like. It really helps me. It actually motivates me to record more videos. Right now you can see it's 3:38 a.m. I woke up earlier just to record this video, so please just do not forget to subscribe. All right, so the next method is actually using something which is called LM Studio. So if you just type this on Google, you can actually come here, lmstudio.ai, just click on that. And now if you're on Windows or Mac, depends on that. So if you're on Windows, just click on this button. If you're on Mac, click on this button. Just install this locally. Just click on this button, and then it will download, just like Llama, it will download a file. And then what you have to do, you can simply just like double click on this file, and then click next, and it will actually install LM Studio. And this is how it will look like. This is how kind of it will look like, LM Studio thing. So now we can actually, let's just install so you can see, like just like Llama, yeah, you can just like Ollama, Ollama has this directory of all of these models on their website, but this LM Studio has actually a proper interface, and that it has like all this directory of all of these AI models here. So you can see that there's Llama 3.2 1B that we just installed, which is already here available. You can simply just like install any of these large language models. From here you can see QWEN 2.5, CODER 3B, which is only 2 GB. So you can download this if you need some sort of like coding or programming task. This is perfect one for that. So you can use like download any of these from here, whatever your computer allows you to download. And as soon as you have done that, just simply click on use in new chat, or as soon as you have installed any of these AI models, just click on the chat option, and then you can just come here. And yeah, so let's just create a new chat, and now you can just ask it any question. What is capital of France? So it will ask quickly. You can see it is way more faster than the one that we actually downloaded through Ollama. This is the same AI model, but I mean it's just a different interface. So what is 2 plus 2? 2 plus 2 is 4. Perfect. So it's installed locally on your computer, and you can now use it. You don't need to pay anything for ChatGPT. You can like access all of these AI models absolutely for free. You can use them to like write code, or to write blogs, or to write content, or just customize these AI models, these large language models as you want. So yeah, this was kind of a brief tutorial about how to your computer. If you have any further questions, please just leave a comment in the comment section, and I will actually respond to. If you have any If you want me to make tutorial on a certain topic about AI development or anything else, just let me know and I'll actually create a dedicated video for that. Please just do not forget to subscribe. This is really important for me. Just do not forget to subscribe, and I see you in next video. Bye bye.